All right, back in the shop for a quick little PSA. I'm doing a top end on a Orange Bike 105 and got a brand new Vertex piston. These come stock in the betas, come stock in the KTMs, come stock in a lot of bikes. So I bought this, got it, was inspecting it, checked underneath, and found that it may be very difficult for you to find, but the underneath of this piston where the cast is raw is dirty. It did not either go through the cleaning process well or didn't get cleaned as good as it should have. So make sure when you're putting a piston in a bike that you check underneath it and you give it a good cleaning. Get in there and scrub it. Make sure there's no casting junk, because these are cast. Make sure there's no casting junk there left over, because whatever they cast it with, I'm sure, is very hard and would scratch the heck out of your motor. So just pay attention to that. Hope this is helpful, and we'll keep on keeping on.